Alright, so everyone is asking about the Snowy River diesel heaters and where the best place to put it, blah blah blah. I believe under the bed you can store a lot in there, bigger stuff, bulky things, so you don't want to lose that space. Now this is the best place because it's really hard to get to be honest. Over there you got a drawer, you can put a drawer, you can put a lid, you can get in there. So what I've done, I got this already open for you. So let me put some light in there. So there she is. Alright, and then it runs down. I got a spare cover in there just in case if kids break it or whatever. I got a spare, left it there. That comes out to the side. So I pinch the 12 volts from that conduit in there. 12 volts because you're not gonna run the diesel heater when you're in mains, you run the aircon split system. So we only do free camping anyway. So 12 volts from there, pinches for the glow plug. Okay, and that's been running for a while now on max. All right. Walking outside, this is where the exhaust is coming out. Okay, we don't get carbon dioxide or anything because it's outside, it just blows away. All right, this was a bit harder than my previous caravan because of the wheels. I fill up the car with petrol, and then in here I can fill up the diesel heater. So that we got the lid, and then run the hose down here all the way down, and off it goes. I'll show you underneath now where all the magic is happening. Just let me get under here. Alright, so fuel line keeps on going through here. We got the little tickety tick fuel pump. After the fuel pump you got the supposed to be a filter. Off it goes. There's a 12 volts as well. This needs 12 volts. Off it goes behind the water tank. Now let's go into the heater section. Now it comes out of there, fuel and power. The black one is power and fuel. When we come up here, hang on, let me put the light properly. Alright, when we come up here, this is a 12 volt cigarette lighter. So that's what I put the fuel pump into. And then you got the air intake. That's the fuel line, comes from there. Okay, and that it's wrapped. I can kind of touch it, but it is freaking hot. I'll tell you how hot it is. I got one of these little puppies. Let's have a look. Yeah, she's hot, alright. So I didn't have this before, just to test it, and it straight away started burning my the foam. It didn't burn the fiberglass at the top or at the bottom. It's just a little bit of the blue section. But now with this, with the wrap, yeah, it's kind of, it doesn't burn any further back. You know, you can see there is kind of like a hole, but eventually it will stop. I think it already stopped, to be honest, because it's been running for hours, and I've been running it for a while too. It goes inside about, say, 10 mil. Let me put my finger there, maybe. I hope so. Because everyone is worried about the foam on the Snowy River, on the floor, that it's gonna burn. Hang on, let me put you down from it. Alright, so let me have a look, see if I can get my finger in there. Yeah, she's warm, so yeah, but I don't think it will keep burning. Like, I was able to get like maybe all the way down there, so yeah, I'll say about 10 mil, 1 centimeter going down. But most of it got done when I didn't have the wrap to test it, so yeah, but it seems to be fine. had no issues. So, and then and then the exhaust, it was a bit of a nightmare to bend that through, so it doesn't touch any plastics or anything. So I go through here. The differential doesn't move because it goes through the independent suspension here. So it goes through here, and then we got the muffler, and then we got metal for the water tank, so that's not touching anything. It's all fine there. It's not going anywhere. And then you got the fuel tank here. I mean the water tank, which is cold. It's nothing, you know. And then we go down that way, and off he goes. I hope this helped anyone. Yeah, happy camping.